Hello everyone, welcome back to another brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can embed or insert a YouTube video on your PowerPoint. It's very easy, just be with me. First of all, open a browser and go to YouTube, write down youtube.com. Then, for example, I want to add a motivational video. Sorry, not here. I want to add a motivational videos into my PowerPoint. So I want to add this one. So I will go to that video and I will go to share and click on copy. Okay, you will the text is right now copied. Then go to PowerPoint. So I've opened PowerPoint for you guys. Then go to insert. This is it will show you like this in the home option. Go to insert, go to video, and go to online videos. Okay, so as I'm using a old PowerPoint, so this I can't add YouTube videos right now, but this is the process. Okay, I'm just telling you guys, you can your PowerPoint will access YouTube videos. Okay, just go to video, go to online videos, and there and tab will open. Just copy the link that you copy the text that you have posted and click on insert. It will automatically embed the YouTube videos that you have already copied. So if you like the video, do subscribe to our channel. Do let us know what kind of videos you like from us. Thank you.